Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti. It's so good to have you here. So, if your skincare routine looks good on the shelf, but your skin doesn't glow, your serum might be the reason for it. Glowing skin doesn't come from products that look aesthetic. It comes from using the right serum that actually can correct your skin. And for most people, the glow is blocked by acne, excessive sebum, texture, dull skin, dry, dehydrated skin. And the question I get asked the most is that which serum actually makes the visible difference. So here I'm sharing these serums. So before we talk about the glow, let's talk about the base, the hydration. Without proper hydration, it gets so difficult for actives to work and the skin looks dull, tight and tired. This Formularx Beyond Hydration Serum contains glycerin that works really well in Indian weather. It hydrates extremely well while Ceramides in the formula is there to support the skin barrier. The texture is quite lightweight. It also helps your skin to hold moisture better. So it is a very good serum even for the beginners. It preps your skin so it is healthy, the barrier is functioning properly. So if you want a no nonsense hydrating serum, then definitely go for this one. And next I have this serum that actually changes how your skin looks over time. This is the Derma 10% Niacinamide serum. If you are lacking glow because of acne marks, uneven skin tone, excess oil or visible pores, then this is where you see the results. Niacinamide is one of the most effective ingredients for skin correction. But here is what really matters. That is penetration. A lot of serums contain niacinamide, but if it doesn't reach deeper into the skin, it won't work properly. The Derma has deep penetration formula or DPF that actually helps niacinamide to go deeper, which means every drop is actually working, not just sitting on the top. And that is why this serum stands out. With consistent use, you will notice acne marks fading gradually, skin tone looking more even, oil production balancing out, pores appearing more refined, overall calmer, healthier looking skin. And if you're someone who is scared of strong actives like retinol or acids, then this is the safest but most effective place to start. I have personally noticed my marks fading without irritation and my skin looked more balanced and clear overall. This is not a quick fix serum, it is a maintenance plus correction serum that keeps your skin consistently good. If I have to recommend just one serum for clear, even tone, glowing skin, then Dermaco's 10% Niacinamide serum would be it. It is fragrance-free, dermatologist designed, and suitable for everyday use, which is why it fits so easily into real routines. Next, we have a gentle exfoliating serum with AHA that removes your dead cells, and this is a really good formulation. It is cane, rosemary, AHA nice serum. It has 9% lactic acid, succinic acid. It also has rosemary that helps to soothe the skin, making it less harsh than traditional acid serums. It gives you that smooth, reflective glow. But use it only at night, 2 to 3 times in a week, and use a sunscreen in the morning. Don't overdo it. And if you're a beginner in chemical exfoliation, then you can also start with once in a week. It is actually optional glow enhancement, not core correction. So yeah, glowing skin is not about chasing trends or using too many products. It is about hydrating your skin, correcting marks and evening out the skin tone, enhancing the glow correctly and carefully, and taking care of your skin barrier. And yeah, if your skin feels stuck because of marks and uneven skin tone, then Dermaco 10% Niacinamide serum is one to choose because it has such multitasking formula that works every day. If this video helped you, let me know about your thoughts. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask me. Let me know about your skin concerns, your skin type, and thank you so much for being there. I hope you're well. I'm going to see you very soon then. Bye bye. Take care.